Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn exactly how to write the equation of a line that is parallel to a given line and passes through a specific point. This is a very common problem in algebra. First, let's understand what parallel lines are. Parallel lines are lines on a flat plane that never intersect or cross each other, no matter how far you extend them. The most important thing you need to remember is that parallel lines always have the same slope. If one line has a certain steepness, the other has the exact same steepness. Quickly recall the slope-intercept form of a linear equation, which is y equals mx plus b. In this equation, the letter m represents the slope, or the rate of change. The letter b represents the y-intercept, which is where the line crosses the vertical y-axis. Here is the problem we will solve. We need to find the equation of a line that meets two conditions. First, it must be parallel to the line y equals 2x plus 1. Second, our new line must pass through the coordinate point 4, 5. Step 1 is to identify the slope. We look at the equation of the original line, which is y equals 2x plus 1. The number attached to the x is the slope, so the slope is 2. Since our new line is parallel, it must have the same slope. Therefore, our new slope, m, is also 2. Step 2 is to set up our new equation. We know that m equals 2, but we do not know the y-intercept, b, for this new line yet. So, we start by writing the general form y equals mx plus b, and we plug in 2 for m. This gives us y equals 2x plus b. Step 3, now we need to find b. We do this by using the point given in the problem, which is 4, 5. The x value is 4 and the y value is 5. We substitute these values into our equation. Replace y with 5 and replace x with 4. Step 4 is to solve for b. We have 5 equals 2 times 4 plus b. 2 times 4 is 8. So 5 equals 8 plus b. To get b by itself, we subtract 8 from both sides. 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So, b is equal to negative 3. Step 5 is to write the final equation. We found that our slope, m, is 2, and our y-intercept, b, is negative 3. We put these back into the slope-intercept form. The final answer is y equals 2x minus 3. Let's visually verify this. The gray line is the original line, y equals 2x plus 1. The red line is our answer, y equals 2x minus 3. You can see they are perfectly parallel. Also, notice the black dot at 4, 5. Our new red line passes exactly through that point. The answer is correct. To summarize the process, first, identify the slope from the given line. Second, set up your equation with that slope. Third, substitute the given x and y values from the point. Fourth, solve for the new y-intercept, b, and finally, write your complete equation. Thanks for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.